Welcome to Mindful Makerspace Challenge. My name is Mrs. Nance. Let's go ahead and get ready for our next activity. So we need to go ahead and take a couple of deep breaths. And today when you take those breaths, I really want you to concentrate on your muscles and what are they doing? We're going to take 2 deep breaths like we're smelling our favorite flower, and then we're going to blow out a small candle nice and long. Today I'm going to choose the purple iris as my favorite flower because that's what's blooming in my garden right now. All right, let's sit up straight. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Did you notice what your muscles were doing? When you breathe out, they relax. They're relaxed and they're ready, and now you are focused for your next activity. Before we dive into our Makey Makey activity, let's go ahead and review a simple circuit. When working with circuitry, we're going to be dealing with symbols. So first, on a simple circuit, you need a power supply. And the power supply is a battery, and a battery has a positive and a negative side. So the negative is represented by a short line. The positive side is represented by a long line. So here's your positive, here's your negative. Circuitry is created with a grid in mind. So I'm going to create my positive line and my negative line using 90 degrees. My simple circuit is going to have a lamp, and a symbol for the lamp is a circle with an X. And I'm going to close my circuit using that grid of 90-degree lines. So there you have it, a simple circuit. Let me introduce you to the MIT world of Makey Makey, a fun new way to see and experiment with simple circuits. The kit runs about $50, and all of your apps, tutorials, and purchasing can be made through MakeyMakey.com. Let me share what the kit contains. A Makey Makey board, a USB cable to connect to your power source, your computer, 7 alligator clips with wires, which will be your positive and negative wires of your circuit, instructions, a couple of stickers, and 6 connector wires for more advanced activities. I'm here to give you a small introduction of the fun and bizarre world of Makey Makey, but I hope you feel challenged to discover all that it can do. Are you ready to become part of a circuit? Let's study the Makey Makey board a little bit closer. So I have it in front of me. And as you can see at the bottom, they're calling this area Earth. You've got your arrow keys, space bar, clicking on the mouse. On this side, you'll see where the USB cord will go in. And on the back, a lot of fancy advanced stuff that has great potential for some over-the-top fun. So let's go ahead and plug in our Makey Makey board with a USB cord into our computer. Okay, I've plugged in the USB port to the Makey Makey board and into the computer, so that's going to be our power source for our circuitry. And I want you to know that MakeyMakey.com is a pretty amazing place. And you can go shop there. That has resources there, educating resources, kid resources, anything and everything that you need to know about a Makey Makey board and how you can invent with it. It's phenomenal. The potential is explosive. And we're only going to just touch on a little bit of it just to show you how fun it is and what you can do with it, transforming really your keyboard into something completely different. So let's go to resources first on the site, and we're going to look at Makey Apps. And Makey Apps, again, is going to show that board and the parts of the board that you're going to clip into that will transform the keyboard of your computer into this board right here. All right, so I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to see that there are pianos, sound effects, drums, all kinds of things that you can use a Makey Makey with. I'm going to start with the piano and just do a very simple demonstration. It says click here to play, and you'll notice the keys on the piano, it will have the left arrow, forward arrow, right arrow, down arrow, space, and then your right click. And that matches your Makey Makey board. So when it says that you're going to put an alligator clip on the left arrow, you're going to place that alligator clip on that left arrow. That left arrow on the board is right here. All of these have now transformed. Instead of using the keyboard, I can use the Makey Makey board. But then I can translate this into something completely different. So the first thing you have to understand is that in order to close a circuit, you have to be a part of this circuit. And we're a part of Earth. So I'm going to take an alligator clip, and I'm going to take one side, and I'm going to open it and place it on the Earth, which is all of these down here. I just did the first 2 holes. Next, so that's the left side of my circuit. So we have our power source and the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, let's choose a banana to see if we can play the piano with a banana. So I need another alligator clip. And if I'm going to do this key here on the piano, I need to put the alligator clip on the left-hand arrow. So I'm going to clip my alligator clip there, and then take the other side and clip it to the banana. And the banana is a conductive material. It contains water. So electricity can flow through the banana because it's water-based. You can use bananas, fruit. Obviously myself is part of the circuit. I contain water. You can use any kind of metal, like tinfoil will work. Even your pencil lead. If I color something on a sheet of paper and attach an alligator clip to that pencil lead, it also will close the circuit. It will be part of the circuitry. Okay, so let's see if we can close this circuit to create a sound. Well, it's imperative that I have this, and I'm holding the end of the alligator clip on the metal. Now, in order for me to close the circuit, I need to touch the banana, because the banana we've got our power source. It's connected to the Makey Make board. This side is connected to the Makey Make board. It's going to travel through me and into my finger. So I just closed the circuit just by touching the banana. And the left key has been translated into the banana instead of the keyboard on your computer. You want to do another? Let's go ahead and get 6 bananas. And 5 more alligator clips and connect them to the Makey Makey. All right, I've connected 6 alligator clips to 6 bananas. And the bananas correspond with a key on your keyboard, a button, all connected to the Makey Makey board. I'm going to take my earth, which is my orange. I'm going to hold the metal part of my alligator clip, and I'm going to close 6 circuits, 6 simple circuits. So each time I touch a banana, I've closed a circuit. Pretty neat, huh? Now, I could use 2 hands, but what I would need to do, and it will show you how to do this, you can create a bracelet out of aluminum foil and then clip this to the aluminum foil, and then you can use both hands instead of just one holding it the whole time. Now let's do one more. Let's go back to the apps and find the bongos. And when we click play, it's showing that the two keys that we're using is the left arrow key and the space. So everything else I do not need. I just need the left arrow key, which is the green. So let's take all of these off to show how simple a Makey Makey is. Let's move these out of the way. And let's take corn on the cob and let's attach the space bar, which is the white clip, to the corn on the cob. And then a banana to the left arrow, which is my green. Now, what do I need to have in order to close the circuit? You're correct. I need my side of the circuit in touching the metal. And then how is it that I can conduct electricity? How is it that electricity can go through me? How is it that electricity can go through fruit and vegetables? Because we all contain water. Let's close some circuits. I hope you enjoyed getting a little taste of Makey Makey and discovering the materials that are conductors for electricity. I can't wait to see the experiments and inventions you discover. Be sure to watch some of the videos, and I challenge you to be a Makey Makey inventor. Happy learning!